Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where the crater lake is in Heartopia. So it says to take photos near the crater lake, and basically it's near the like onsen area here. So I think I'm already like here. That's why it's not like showing any more like um path to it. Like it doesn't show any more direction. So I'm gonna take a picture real quick and see. Oh yeah, it's right here where Naughty is, I think. But yeah, that is where you can find the crater lake. It's just there. If it's too far from you and you can't see it on the map, it's near Winter Utopia, which is going away soon. So if you're unclear about that, it's right about like here on the map, like near, oh, it says on the map like Crater Lake, obviously. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.